ẹ súnmọ́ bí ẹ mọ̀ wá tó gbọ́ tuntun kẹ́ ṣé léyìí ò wá fẹ́ sú gbogbo aráyé báyìí nítorí ọlọ́sẹ̀ fẹ́ pa mẹ̀kúnnù ni wọ́n ní àwọn immigration service wọ́n rí àwọn àjòjì àlùmọ́jìrì tán tó ti kó wọlé wọ́n gba 6,216 voters card ní ọwọ́ wọn. Kí ló dé tẹ́yìn èèyàn ń ṣe báyìí pẹ̀lú dọ́kúmẹ̀ntì tó jẹ́ new? Àwọn ọmọ tí ń sì ń sọ lọ́rin wọn á lọ tò síbi tí wọ́n ti fẹ́ gba voters card wípé kí wọ́n lè dìbò fẹ́ni tán fẹ́ ò ní rí gbà. Àjòjì 6,216 voters card làwọn immigration ni wọ́n gbà lọ́wọ́ àwọn ènìyàn. Àwọn foreigner ni kì í sí àwọn àjòjì o, foreigner àwọn àjòjì ọlọ́mọ gbà wá lórílẹ̀‐èdè location 419. Ṣé Nàìjíríà ò mọ̀ wípé gbogbo nǹkan tẹ̀ ń ṣe àwọn èèyàn ń rí ní ẹ̀yìn odi? Gbogbo ìròyìn tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí ó ń jáde káàkiri àgbáyé. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń fìbọn pa àwọn ọmọ yín lórí pọ́n protest lórí owó, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń fìbọn pa àwọn ọmọ yín lórí EndSARS, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń fìbọn pa àwọn ọmọ yín lórí reopen Lekki toll gate, lórí any written rally protest Yorùbá nation anyhow Biafra nation tẹ́ ń táwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ń ṣe láti gbára wọn kúrò, tẹ́ ń fìbọn pa wọn, tẹ́ ń yìnbọn fún wọn, tẹ́ ń mẹ́mí wọn lọ, tẹ́ ń àtáàkì wọn mọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀. Ọlọ́run wò yín tẹ́ bá ronú wípé ẹ̀ ní bọ́ níbẹ̀. Mi ò kúkú rí yín bú bí àwọn ọmọ tó jẹ́ pé èèyàn ń jà fún náà. Béèyàn ṣe ń pariwo tó wọn ní gbọ́, bá a ṣe ń kígbe tó wọn gbà, bá a ṣe ń kígbe lójoojúmọ́ wípé kí wọ́n ronú ara wọn wò, kán má dìbò fẹ́ni tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ wọn bá tó bá wà lára wọn kán gbà á. Ṣùgbọ́n torí tí wọ́n jẹ tán bá ti lo kó change díẹ̀ fún wọn nísìn Emefiele ó láwọn ò rí pépà táwọn fi print owó jáde lórí irọ́. Ṣebí gbogbo eléyìí tán sùn wọ́n fẹ́ sùn dẹ̀yìn election ni wọ́n fẹ́ kébi payín kẹ́ mọ́ rówó ná kẹ́ mọ́ rò ń jẹjẹ so that tó bá ti di ẹ̀yìn election tó bá ti di during the election wọ́n máa fún yín lówó tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ sáyé lọ bọ́ta láti lọ campaign fẹ́ni tí wọ́n fẹ́ campaign fún. Gbogbo owó tẹ̀yìn sọ yìí ó ti wà nínú ilé wọn. Bá mi wo fídíò yìí kó bá mi share rẹ̀. Eléyìí lé o ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ ronú ẹ wò.
The Nigerian Immigration Service on Wednesday announced that it seized 6,216 voter cards and Nigeria's national identity cards from foreigners in a clampdown across the country. The clampdown is one of the steps employed by the NIS to ensure that foreigners are not allowed to vote in the forthcoming election. The Controller General of the NIS, Issa Idris, in an interactive session, disclosed that the arrested foreigners caught with the two important documents reserved for only Nigerian citizens have been eased out of the country.
We have collected these national ID cards and voters cards. We have eased out the immigrants. Don't forget ECOWAS protocol allow movement. They are mostly from ECOWAS region. There is free movement of ECOWAS within the member states. So once you confiscate, you ease them out, and then we hand over to INEC and then NIMC because they are not our documents. We hand over to INEC for them to delist their name from voters card because they have already captured their names. And that's why NIS has always advocated for MIN, migrant registration number, instead of NIN for non-Nigerians. Non-Nigerians should carry MIN, migrant registration number. What you see MIN, you know it's not in Nigeria.
Rufai, this is a serious issue.
I'm very, very sad this morning. And see, I think the immigration officer should not sit down there with that air of triumphalism. Because in street parlance, this is bloody, saddening in the first place. That the fact that people can just come and get our voters card. How many voters card of other ECOWAS countries do I have? And this happened. So the question is, how many much more people have those voters cards that we don't even know of?